Path of Love is an incredibly well-crafted 7-day process that changes people's lives forever. It just is set up in such a way that it takes people right into the big questions that they have for their lives, and it brings them all the way through. People go through the most amazing transformations.
The Path of Love is a process that will change your life forever. It's a 7-day intensive where you have all the support, your very, very safe environment, and you have all the time and the space to really connect with yourself and find out what is the real meaning of your life, what you are truly here for.
All is welcome here. All is welcome.